Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Siku yetu. So we are going to the Dubai Park, to the roller coasters. It's like a small Disneyland here. And obviously I'm here with the famous noisemaker Brenda.
Ooh, the Slayer. Please wait. Guys, please say no more. Period.
Yeah, you've heard from her. So we are going to use the metro for the first time. We have no idea how anything works. We don't even have a SIM card. We're just relying on Wi-Fi because we don't see the need of having a SIM card. Okay.
Tell them how much a SIM card costs.
And a SIM card
600 Kenya shillings.
600 Kenya
20 dirhams. Hey.
600 na kwetu
tunanunua
hata 20 bob.
Free SIM card. Unasikia?
Oh, free SIM card
pale archives. Guys, hey. So guys, mnasikia? Free lines. Huku hakuna free line. Hakuna 600.
Catch me outside with that bullshit.
Catch me outside.
Okay guys, let's go to the metro.
Look, I need a bitch with some confidence, a girl with an ego as big as mine, and if she ain't got it, she gotta go. I can't afford to waste any time. I need a mansion with 80 rooms that comes with a chef and a maid that do all the cooking and do all the cleaning. I'm talking about every day. I need a couple of Vans that I can go spend with a couple of friends. Make that shit rain in the club, drink all the bub, and right after jump in the Benz. I need some more of these haters, some people that don't like my stunts. I can't have everybody fucking with me, cause then it just wouldn't be fun. I need a lot, I need the whole fucking globe. I will not settle for anything less than a toilet that's made out of gold. I want my
guys, aki huku ni kupotea tu. Tuna spend 1 hour kwa huku kwa ima train.
Guys,
captured and recaptured.
Hey. Unaona haki nimekonda haki guys. Msiniulize nimekuwa kikonda nikifanya nini.
Ndio hiyo kwa mama.
Guys.
Hata drinks zimekuwa chai.
Hata mask huwezi toa jamani.
Ave kuna joto tumepotea.
Hivi ndo nafaa uchukue picha. Nakwambianga kwani sini wazazi. Guys. Guys. Mtu anaangalianga wapi?
Anyway. Kwanza kuambia guys, tumepotea huko.
Guys, we are here addressing you. Unajua huko train haigoji mtu. Like just I think 1 second. If you don't get into the train, that's it. It will show them how people are waiting for the train.
shit to go down with finesse. I want a wipe with a Saint Laurent vest. I want.
So guys, here they have a side for ladies and a side for men when boarding the train. So the ladies and kids are in the VIP, alafu the men wako huko kwingine. Let me show you. This is the female side, and then alafu male ni kula mwisho kabisa penye watu wamejaa. Oh Brenda, hii experience inakumaliza, kupotea tumepotea.
Shika hivi. That's okay.
Ndio tumefika mwisho.
What? But guys, check out my outfit.
OTD.
Check out my outfit. Na kuongeza glitters kwa eyebrows. Hey, by the way, when you buy problems with the rich, of the rich, you may buy nature gem. Bro, what? Sijui hata jina yake. Imagine. Ukiwasha tu na pesa kidogo tu, shaenda kitu yenye ujui. So now see my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows. Very shiny, guys.
Tumechoka sisi juu ya kupotea. Naona na kapepa bag yetu tukitembea kila mahali.
mabagi yetu from our hotel.
Wanakulipa kwa advertise.
Na kama hawaruhusu kubeba bags unaweza shikwa guys. So this might be the last video maybe, perhaps. Maybe there are no paper bags here. We don't know. By the way, Cecilia.
Kunayo, mbona watuwekee kama hakuna?
Maybe in the rooms.
There's nothing like that. There's the train.
We're about to hop in.
Na hapa ni mbio mbio. Wangojei mtu.
Wow, Cecilia, oh my God.
The money to balance the stress. I want the lotto. I want to buy Donald Trump and sell him to El Chapo. I need the riches. I'm talking guap that allows you to burn all the bridges. I want to flex on the bitches that carry me, treating me like I ain't worthy. Ho, look at my numbers. They going up like the temp in the summer. I'm gaining heat like I told you I would. Okay, now you want to buy, bitch, you's a plumber. Yeah. Alright. Look, I need it all. I need a checklist. I need a whip to go 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds. I need my ex to regret this. Need to send them all a message. I need to let you know this ain't a joke. You call me fan, but you ain't my folk. I see your attitude about me has changed. Now that I'm making this change, but I don't look down when I move up the ladder. Don't want collab with you, pro, but I'm flattered. She wanna curb me, it's cool, doesn't matter. Cause next thing I do, wife a new girl that's battered. Ay, I just make moves, I don't do with the chatter. Out of this world like I moved in from Saturn. I got people asking.
Tunaenda ni distance ya 10 minutes lakini we are taking hours and hours because we don't know anything about this place, the rules. We just kupotea, tunapotea leo. Tushachoka, tuna sweat, tunaloa. Tushachoka. Okay, we are here. Guys, we are booking at our bus ticket to the park.
We don't know your money.
And who is this Croach kid? When they learn it's me, their mood switch. Yeah. But I just turned down a deal for $25,000. Yeah. That's not enough for me. Only a milli will comfort me. Yeah. I know that I'm stubborn, but I got a right to be. Fuck all the papers they gave me to sign. 10% or else you
don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.